Hey, what's up, Vic? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. I had reached out to you last week. I was going to send a video for you guys just kind of highlighting some things you could do, if you had any interest in improving your online presence to bring in more business. Sorry it took a little bit longer than expected to get it over to you, but nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and get it for you. So now, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, Vic, I just find that a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. And typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So, when I make these attack plans out for free, people will still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you deal with this stuff for me. So, at the end of the video, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could help grow you guys' business, I'd love to talk more about it. And if you guys just wanted to take this information, apply it, and run with it yourself, be my guest. That works fine with me too, Vic. So, without further ado, what I wanted to go over is just how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack, okay? So first and foremost, just by looking at your website, I don't know if you guys did this yourself or if you paid someone to build it. It looks awesome. Like it literally looks fantastic. All the animations, very clean pictures, high quality pictures. The theme is like on point and it's consistent throughout the whole page. Web's aesthetic, you guys are like 12 out of 10, right? But please don't be, don't kill the messenger here. The main thing to keep in mind here is Google's primary concern is how much content you have on your homepage, right? The average homepage on Google has 1,800 words. So to be considered authoritative and for them to kind of score you with enough information to answer a consumer's questions, they want to see you between 1,500 to 2,000 words. Again, you guys' website isn't blank and there is content on here, but it would be beneficial if you were to add more. That way, some of the keywords that you're ranking for kind of fit into the algorithm better, okay? Now, one thing too, while I'm here, just a little secret, is what you save your images as. So yeah, that's just saved hero img. That can be saved as like HVAC repair service Houston, Texas, or something like that, or Houston, Texas HVAC contractor, right? Because you guys have so many images, that's gonna do you guys a huge favor and give you guys more opportunity to rank for the some buyer intent keywords, right? So go back and save each one of your pictures as buyer intent keywords, right? Now, how to make it more trustworthy? I hopped over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us a lot of really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. Now, basically touching on you guys, how to make it more trustworthy is all judged on how many relevant websites you have linking back to you. And that kind of balances out this ratio. Ideally, you'd want to be sitting at like 1 to 1. So you guys are doing really, really good in this aspect. Just make sure moving forward, if you guys go out for any more backlinks and stuff like that, they're all relevant to you guys' industry. See, like the first handful that I see, like air conditioner contractors near me.com, that's a go, HVAC contractors.biz, HVAC parts technician, all of these are relevant to your industry, right? And just to kind of give you an example, Total HVAC Houston, these guys are ranking organically in the #1 spot for HVAC contractors Houston. You can see that here. But like they have more backlinks, right? But a lot of their see like Squakong, City of Stafford, like Power Break Exchange. These guys are hurting themselves and losing power because they're going out and getting backlinks and having people point back to them that don't pertain to what you guys do for work. So just make sure whatever you're doing as far as those backlinks, you keep doing it the same thing because you guys are doing it right. And then just lastly, Vic, how to get you guys actually ranked in this local map pack. Statistically, most people will skip ads because they either just don't trust ads or they have ad blockers so they don't see them anyways. What you'd want to do to get ranked here, all that's based on is how many citations you have as a business. And all that is how many times your business name, phone number, and address, all spelled the same, are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Craigslist, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook even counts as one, City Star, or those are all good ones. So yeah, literally the only thing you'd really need to do is just go find the exact same directories that Imperial's in, just because they're in the first one. See, these guys are getting business. They don't even have reviews, and that's going to hurt them. But because you guys have reviews and you've been around longer, probably, you guys could definitely take this top spot and catch some more traffic that way too. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I got, Vic. Just a quick recap. Again, Content is king. You guys' website looks great, but if you wanted to give yourself more power, really just add some more content to your homepage, anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words. Save your images as keywords. Make sure that the backlinks that you guys are going after in the future stay relevant to your industry, because you're already doing this good, and it would, I'd hate to see you guys hurt yourself here. So just make sure these are relevant to your industry. And getting ranked locally in the map pack, go find the citations that Imperial has and add yourself to about 50 more as well. So that's all I got, Vic. I'll get this video over to you shortly. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch. If anything, I would greatly appreciate just a line of feedback if you did happen to find any of the information useful or valuable at all. And, if you did have any questions, concerns on, what we might be able to do to actually help you guys out, I'd love to pick a time and talk more about it whenever you do. So, again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. That's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Vic. Have a good one.